Hello, this is Bruce Dou, Chinese name Dou Jianzhi, international sales at Qingdao Fiat Packaging. Here, I'm going to share with you a spout toy pack with three-dimensional effect. As you can see, it stands up on the desk with rotor field and three-dimensional, okay, like the front side, the side gestures, and then quite much like a box, and it is quite suitable for packaging cooking oil, juice, and water. This spout toy pack, you can see the spout is very large and very easy to fill and quite lower cost. It is a lower cost than this pouch or the plastic bottles. So it is very cost effective for your one-time use, especially delivered to restaurants. And for this bag, we have smaller size such as 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter, and okay, like this, 10 liter and up to 25 liters. The maximum size, 25 liters. However, when you see closely, the stand-up effect for this pouch is not very good. It will not be better than this for this bag-in-box pouch. However, it doesn't need outside box. Very good appearance and also very good print quality. And this is intended for packaging juices and sold in the supermarket. However, it is a lower cost and it doesn't need outside box. We have a flat bag-in-box pouch. As you can see, for this metallic bag, it is flat. Yeah, this size sealed and filled. There is a mouth. They fill the water into the pouch, and then with this butterfly button sealed. However, it will have to need an outside box to make it stand up. The outside box will be extra packaging costs. So, if you would like to get lower cost for your juice, I advise you this item. Very good cost and also very good quality. With rotor field, you can just fall down from 2 meter high. No break, no leak, as you can see the video.
好，摔吧，摔。好，继续。好，继续。摔到哪儿了？稳一点，慢一点。
Okay, anyone interested in this bag, you may reach me for further assistance. Thanks.